Good night. Video aims to provide a brief analysis of the results obtained from the exercise 3 using the dual simple method. This exercise was solved with the help of the technological tool AI Black Box. Instructions were given to the tool and it was contextualized about what we wanted to resolve and under what specific conditions the exercise should be solved. A series of bibliographic references were provided to the tool so that it had the fundamental basis for the development of exercises. In the Excel sheet called Technological Tools, you will find screenshots of the steps taken in the Black Box AI technological tool to arrive at the results. Below is a brief analysis of the result and general condition and general conclusion. Okay. Analysis of the solution. The optimal solution indicates that American business companies should produce 337.6 units of Type 1 night fabric, 117.02 units of the Type 2 night fabric, and 188.83 units of the Type 3 night fabric to obtain the lowest possible cost with the available resources. Total cost. The total production cost is $12,800. Resources utilization. And cotton 260 tons. Polyester 100 tons. Elastane 18 tons. Conclusion. The optimal solution obtained through the dual simple method indicates that American business companies should produce a combination of Type 1, 2, and 3 night fabrics to obtain lowest possible cost with the available resource. The total production cost $12,800 and all available resources of cotton, polyester, and elastane are utilized. Thanks.